So for your viewers, with my 5-year-old son, it was always a challenge to get him to do his chores, take a shower, clean up his stuff, et cetera, et cetera. And I felt like that sale was one of my harder sales because he was kind of fighting me on it, right? 5-year-olds do that. Until I finally figured out that if I use stories with him taking a shower, him cleaning up his room, that he would enjoy. Not only would he do it, but he would enjoy it. He would embrace it. So I started doing it. I said, listen, the monsters can smell you if you don't take a shower. So you've got to take a shower so that they can't smell you. So he's like, okay, cool, Dad, that sounds great. So he went and took a shower. And here I am telling everything I need him to get him to do through stories. And he enjoyed it. And so the same thing is true when you're doing a presentation. If you can draw upon successful people in your business or case studies or testimonials that you've gotten, and you can tell the story about how they were starting here with no result, and they ended up here with the result that the person that you're trying to sell to needs and wants, then it makes it easier, and it makes it more easier for their mind to wrap around it versus you just kind of rattling off a bunch of facts.
For sure. And if you're having fun, everybody's having fun, and it just flows a lot better. Thank you so
Yes.
much.